Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip was inspired from my own life. Now, if you know me, you know, as I'm getting older, I have an aversion to smell. And when my wife was pregnant before, she couldn't change kitty litter. I don't know if you know it's a thing or not, but pregnant ladies are not supposed to change kitty litter. So when she was pregnant both times with our children, I used to do all the kitty litter and I used to put on a mask. Even though I had a little bit of aversion to smell, with the mask on, it wasn't as bad. But as I'm getting older, my aversion to smell is getting worse and worse. I've actually gotten sick cleaning kitty litter and I really can't do it. So for me, any kind of smell really gets to me and it makes me sick. So I'm very, very susceptible or maybe sensitive to smells. So the other day I noticed, like, when the air conditioning was on, we have our kitty litters downstairs, and it didn't matter. My daughter just cleaned the kitty litter, but I could still smell it. It was just kind of permeating through the home. And I realized, hey, we need to put a dehumidifier back on. Sorry, we have one, we put it back on. As soon as I put that dehumidifier back on, it sucked up all that moisture and the smell was gone almost instantaneous. So if you have, a cat or a kitty litter, worry about smells, you may be some of the moisture in your basement. Basements have a lot of moisture, especially due to the air conditioner when it's on. So maybe try that first. Put a dehumidifier in your basement when the AC is on and see how it does with your smells downstairs. Bye for now.